All right, here we go. Last page, 8.1 to 8.2 review, number 2, problem number 10. Find the value of the variable. If your answer is not an integer, leave it in simplest radical form. All right, so our model. $60 over here, 30 over here, X, 9, and 18. So our model, if our short leg is X, so if that's X, then this is going to be X square root of 3 for the long leg. And then the hypotenuse is going to be twice that. So here it's going to be times it by 2. All right. So on this one, we times this by 2 to get to 18. So to go this direction, it's going to be 9 square root of 3 because I had to multiply this by the square root of 3 to get this number over here. All right, next one, 30, 60, 90 again. I have the hypotenuse. So I got to find the short first. Because I'm finding the short, I'm going to divide. And so I'm going to divide by 2 in this case. So when I divide by 2, I get 8 square root of 3. 16 square root of 3 divided by 2 will give me 8 square root of 3. And now I have to find X. So I know what my short is. So now I'm multiplying by the square root of 3. Multiply by the square root of 3 to find the long side. So I have 8 square root of 3, and I'm multiplying by the square root of 3. And the square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is 3 times the 8 that's out front. So that's going to give me 24. Next one. 30, 60, 90. I know my short. So to find y, I need to multiply by 2. So 18 times 2 is going to give me 36, which would equal y. And then to find my long leg, I'm going to multiply by the square root of 3. So x then is going to give me 18 square root of 3. All right, this one, 20 is way over here, and it's my hypotenuse. So to go from my hypotenuse to my short leg, I need to divide by 2. And so then this will give me 10 when I divide that by 2. And that means this over here on this side is going to be 10 square root of 3. And y is the same because it's a 45, 49, 90. So if this side is 10, this side is 10. So y is 10. And then x is going to be that number 10 with the square root of 2 after it. And a triangle is 14, 48, and 58. So 14 squared plus 48 squared is equal to 58 squared. 14 squared is going to give me 196. 48 squared is going to give me 2304. And 58 squared is going to give me 3364. Adding these two together give me 2500. And that is less than 3364. So this is an obtuse triangle because the number all by itself is larger than the other two. Remember, obtuse, obese. So if this is by itself and it's bigger than the other two added together, it's going to be a big angle. So that means it's going to be obtuse.